Imagine you're just floating in space, minding your own business, when suddenly, boom, you're drifting toward a black hole. Not just any black hole, a supermassive, galaxy-crushing, reality-bending monster. First thought? Okay, no big deal, maybe I can escape. Wrong. You're being pulled toward the most terrifying object in the universe, and it's about to get weird. Really weird. Let's start with what a black hole actually is. It's not a hole. It's a region of space where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. Think of it as space's way of saying, mine now. Black holes form when massive stars die, collapsing under their own gravity. That collapse doesn't stop. It keeps going until all the mass is crushed into a single point with zero volume and infinite density, the singularity. Around that point is the event horizon point of no return. Cross it, and you're done. You can shout, scream, even bring snacks, but you're never coming back. So let's say you're falling in. At first, it's kind of peaceful. Space is quiet, stars are twinkling, and you're thinking, hey, maybe this won't be so bad. But then you get closer. Gravity starts stretching you. Literally. Your feet, closer to the black hole, feel a stronger pull than your head. This effect is called spaghettification. Yes, it's a real term. You become spaghetti. Long, thin, stretched out human noodles. Now, if you were falling into a stellar mass black hole, this would happen fast, like blink of an eye fast. You wouldn't even make it to the event horizon before being turned into cosmic pasta. But if you're falling into a supermassive black hole, things get stranger. These giants, millions of times more massive than our sun, have much gentler tidal forces near the event horizon. That means you might cross the event horizon without being torn apart immediately. You could survive for a few more seconds, maybe even minutes. Plenty of time to reflect on your life choices. What would you see? Not much. Space around you would warp. Stars would smear across your vision. Time would stretch. From the perspective of an outside observer, say, your astronaut buddy Steve watching from a safe distance, you'd appear to freeze at the edge of the event horizon. He'd see you slow down, get dimmer, and then vanish. But from your perspective, you'd fall right in. Inside the black hole, physics breaks down. Literally. Our equations stop working. General relativity and quantum mechanics start fighting like two kids on a sugar rush. Nobody knows what happens beyond the event horizon. Maybe you hit the singularity and poof, that's it. Maybe you travel through a wormhole and end up in another universe. Maybe you become part of the black hole's mass, contributing to its gravitational buffet. Let's imagine just for fun that you had a really advanced spacesuit, like sci-fi level. Your suit resists spaghettification, protects you from radiation, and somehow transmits TikToks from inside a black hole. Because hey, you need to go viral one last time. Even then, you'd still face another problem: time. Black holes distort time so much that minutes for you could be years for someone outside. You could fall in and spend what feels like 10 minutes exploring the interior, only to discover 1,000 years have passed outside. Civilization has collapsed, dogs now rule the planet, and pizza is illegal. Worst future ever. And just when you think it couldn't get stranger, there are theories that black holes aren't the end at all. Some physicists believe that information, the very quantum data that makes up you, cannot be destroyed. So where does it go? Is it stored on the event horizon? Is the black hole secretly a cosmic USB stick? Others believe that every black hole is actually a gateway, maybe to another dimension, maybe to a white holy theoretical reverse black hole that spews matter instead of sucking it in. If that's true, you might pop out on the other side in some parallel universe, confused, stretched out, but still in one piece, sort of. Of course, all of this is theory. Nobody's ever fallen into a black hole and sent a postcard back, yet. But one thing is certain, black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They're the ultimate mystery boxes. Once you're in, all bets are off. Physics, logic, even common sense goes out the window. So, next time you're out in space and you see a black circle surrounded by glowing light, remember, don't fall in. Or do if you're curious, brave, and maybe a little bit insane. Just don't forget to wave goodbye. Because in a black hole, the universe isn't just stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we can imagine.